All right, everybody, welcome back. This is going to be my long-term review of the Benriach, the Smoky 10 Speyside Single Malt Scotch Whisky. So to recap, what you got here is a Speyside Single Malt finished in Jack Daniel's barrels. This company, Benriach, is part of Brown-Forman, so get a lot of that quality here. And like I said in the previous video, this one is a little bit of an oddball because it's a Speyside peated, which usually you don't get a lot of peated stuff from Speyside. Overall, I think that it is really good for what it is. I think it punches above its weight class because it's a 10-year-old and the proven right and everything else is here. These smoky whiskeys, and it's funny because I never thought that I'd be really endorsing smoky whiskeys, but a long time ago, when I first started getting into Scotch, I kind of did a sampler pack, right? And I was trying some of these smoky ones. For me, any of these smoky whiskeys, you have to pair them with food. And I think if I remember right, I did one video where I had like a cheesesteak that I paired with something. Anything that's kind of smoky like this, I think you really need to pair it with food, because for me, I just don't like smoky whiskey. But I think if you have it with, like, I don't know, maybe like a steak or a juicy burger or something else like that, I think it really complements it well. In general, you know, if I'm just sitting home chilling, I'm not looking forward to a smoky whiskey. Maybe unless it's like in the wintertime or something and I want something that's kind of like reminiscent of a campfire. But for me, smoky whiskeys in general pair well with food. But to focus back on this one, who is this for? I think this Benriach 10 is not for a newbie, because I don't think a newbie to Scotch is really going to understand enough about nuances and the typical base flavors and how this deviates. And I don't think they're really going to appreciate like what you get on this bottle. So I think it's for somebody who's more seasoned, maybe somebody who's also had an Isla before, so they could put this side by side with like an Isla and kind of compare and contrast the smoke differences. This here gives you more of like a hickory barbecue kind of smoke, whereas I think the Isla that I've had so far, the Isla peated ones, are more of like herbaceous is the term. It's a big word, but you get kind of a mixture of like grass and smoke at the same time, where this is more of like a hardwood type of smoke. But yeah, I mean, price-wise, I don't think it's unreasonable. Like I said, I think it's punches above its weight class. Would I buy this again? I would not buy this again, but only because I've already had the 10 and I want to try what the 12, the Smoky 12 tastes like, just to see how that balances out. But yeah, first time, I think if you want to try Benriach and you're interested in smokies, I would definitely pick this up just to see what you like. Don't be surprised if you see me on a subsequent video with like the Smoky 12, just to kind of put it side by side. But yeah, I liked it. That's all I got for now. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Dark Spirits, I'm out.